Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. I made a video about cooking steak, sealing meat, 1 kilogram beef steak, 100 grams of butter, garlic, salt, pepper, thyme, large potatoes to add to the plate, grilled iron skillet and flat-bottomed iron skillet. I will first start by peeling the big potato and frying it in the air fry without oil. I think it's been 3 years since these ovens came on the market, and sometimes they work very well for me. I can say that I think they are useful for frying small things. I run it on the French fries setting and start preparing the meats. I cut the steak as thick as a finger. Steak is common in many countries, including Turkey, especially in the USA and European countries. Steaks made from soft parts of beef, such as tenderloin or ribeye, are preferred. Steak is usually prepared by cutting at right angles to the fibers of the meat for easy eating. Since it is a soft meat, you can expand it by hitting it with your hand. Prepare salads or cold appetizers that you will serve with the meat before cooking. As the meat will cook easily, I prefer to make an easy salad: grated carrot, lettuce, purple sauerkraut. Chopped purple cabbages are rubbed with lemon juice, salt and grape vinegar, then filled into the bottle, and it will be like this after 1 to 2 days. Sliced tomatoes, simple salad is ready. After putting the iron pan on the fire, wait 5 minutes for it to heat up. Grease the iron pan. Now you can say that the frying pan is not oiled, of course, but I tried it, because the meat is lean meat, it stuck to the pan and I tried hard to remove it, so you lightly oil the pan. After the pan is well heated, add the meats and use a stopwatch. Wait 1 minute. Remove meat after 1 minute. Add the meat you put vertically, this time horizontally. Continue using the stopwatch and fry the meat in this way for 1 minute. I want a mark like this on the meat. Do the same to the other side of the meat. Add to hot pan and wait 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn the meat horizontally and there will be a total of 4 minutes of frying time. Why is meat sealed? One of the most curious questions of those who encounter the meat sealing process in delicious meat dishes is why the meat is sealed. There are actually several reasons for meat sealing. However, the most important reason is to preserve the juice of the meat. As soon as you put the meat in the pot, the meat is watered and starts to lose all its flavor along with its juice. In the meat sealing process, a hard crust is formed on the outside of the meat with high heat, and it is prevented from losing the delicious water inside. In this way, you will prepare the meat in its most delicious and healthy form. Adding butter to flat-bottomed iron pan. Since this is a lean meat, I will add a little oil and the butter will make the meat extra tender. Garlic. Add the meat and mix for 40 seconds. The potatoes are out of the oven, and add the potatoes to a little butter. Immediately transfer the meat to an empty plate without over-drying. I'm preparing the plate I'm going to serve now. Add the salad aside. Potatoes. I add the meat to the potatoes. Butter. Finally, salt and spices. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos, and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.